In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel hosting your subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you cancel, so there are no surprises on your next billing date. First, open your browser and go to hostingers.hPanel. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. The navigation panel on the left is where you'll find all the key sections you need to manage your services and payments. Next, click on Billing from the left-hand menu. This is the hub for invoices, payment methods, and, most importantly for today, your active subscriptions. Inside Billing, look for the Subscriptions area. This page lists each service tied to your account, such as hosting plans, email packages, or other add-ons. If you have more than one service, scan carefully so you select the exact subscription you want to cancel. Now, open the subscription you want to stop renewing. You'll see a control related to renewal, often labeled Renew or Auto-renewal. To cancel, simply switch that button off. Turning off this toggle cancels the auto-renewal for that specific subscription. In other words, you will not be charged again at the end of the current billing period. Your service typically remains active until the current term runs out, so your site or product won't go offline immediately just because you've canceled renewal. When you flip the switch, you may be asked to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. Some accounts may show a short survey or a note explaining what happens next. Read any on-screen message so you understand the effective date of cancellation and whether anything else is required. After confirming, you should see an updated status on the subscription, or the next charge date should disappear. That's your sign that the auto-renewal is successfully turned off. That's really all there is to it. Before you leave the page, double-check that the renewal toggle is off and that the subscription reflects your change. If you manage multiple services, repeat the same action only for the ones you intend to cancel. Keep in mind that canceling auto-renewal stops future charges. It doesn't usually refund what you've already paid for the current term. You may also receive a confirmation email summarizing the change. Save it for your records. And that's how to cancel your hosting or subscription quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify your renewal settings anytime you make plan changes so you're always in control of your billing.